I'm going to add my Google Slides that I just created to Gemini to see if it's okay. So I'm going to ask Gemini, is this presentation in logical order and make sense? And I'm going to go ahead and hit that plus sign down there in the window and add from Drive. So now I'm going to find my presentation, and it's right here. Click on it and add it. And now I'm going to go ahead and hit the send button. So now Gemini is going to be thinking, and now he's going to give me some feedback on my presentation that I can take from and make my presentation better, hopefully, with the information that Gemini gave me. I can do this on any type of presentation that is in Google Slides. Now I'm going to create a presentation on the effects of vaping. So what's Gemini going to do for me now? It's going to help me to create that presentation. And it automatically went to Canvas. I didn't even have to push the button this time because it knows that I wanted to create this presentation. So now I have some images in here, but again, I'm going to have to export this to Docs and then put this into a presentation on my own and make sure that I make it mine, because it's not mine right now, it's AI's. So now here is my Google Doc, and I can take from all of this, and there's some links in here that I can use within my presentation. Very nice. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Gemini.